I did a detailed video on this, but the exposure was way off, and it was just giving all like these streams every time there was movement. So I'm just going to kind of talk through what I did here. This is the old bracket here. They were spot welded in, kind of like you see here, and then spot welded underneath here. And I couldn't find this bracket anywhere online to buy, so I had an old Fender here on the other side, and so I took this bracket from there by drilling out these two holes. You can either use a drill bit, regular drill bit, or you can use this. There's a kit you can buy. It has this kind of point in here that presses, and you just drill out. It's kind of like a small hole saw for spot welds. Spot weld cutter kit. I think the drill bit worked better in this application, so I just used the drill bit. I did use this here, but the drill bit seemed to work better. So I drilled these two holes. One was only... I drilled one hole out, and then these two holes are to do the spot weld on the new one. And then I drilled out the holes on the bottom, removed that, and cleaned it up. And then I had cleaned this bracket up, which came from that side, and clamped it here with some vice grips. And then I had drilled another hole, so I kind of lined it up here. Put spot welded these two, and then spot welded two here. And I primered this because this should get color like paint, and then I just put POR on here. POR. I get the small cans. Lesson learned: don't get the big can. Get the small cans because, as you can see, prying this open, it was one use. I had cleaned it all out really good, and I put this in there. It was like super adhered to there. In fact, that might harden because there's a gap in there. Yeah, I used this on the bracket, tried to get the back side as well, and the other Fender, the old Fender, there's the two holes I drilled out there, and then drilled the holes out here, separated that, and then it came out. Cleaned it all up. It kind of looked like this here. Just cleaned it all up with the wire wheel, and then went on the other side and clamped it and welded it.